Hey everybody, how you doing today? Welcome to this unboxing video. This is a very special one, to be honest with you, because this Poco phone X3 NFC took a lot of time to arrive. And I was looking forward to get it earlier, but as you know, the situation going on with this world, it's getting harder to get stuff shipped from overseas. So let's open up this box and see what we have here. Okay, let's take this away. And as usual, we're gonna open it the normal way, just like this. This box comes in yellow and black. It goes out smoothly. Well, kind of. Sometimes a little bit. You need a little bit of push till you get it out. And we are finally made it. So we're first gonna get this books, probably some stuff in here, probably a case. Okay, we have the SIM ejector tool, and we have the case, some papers. Let's leave the papers away. Let's take a look at the case. It actually looks sturdy, surprisingly so. TPU case that is kind of flimsy in the middle. On the edges, the same. Okay, we're gonna try it on, test it later on. So let's keep these two away and see the main event here with the phone. Now the Poco phone X3 comes with Snapdragon 732G, which is tied directly to gaming specifically, and I know there's some water cooling here. It has 120 Hz Full HD plus dot display. So this is the first 120 Hz screen on this channel. It's not AMOLED though. It's an LCD, so IPS. 64 megapixel quad camera. So about the camera, of course, you don't need to worry about the quad camera because we have Snapdragon here. That means we can just already apply the G-Cam into this phone, which is a really good thing. Now also the main event here, which is the 5160 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging. Yes, that's nice. And I actually chose the blue version. As you know, there was some out of stock because a lot of review units, but not much from the stock. So finally we were able to get this phone on our hands. So if we look at this thing over here, it looks beautiful. Does it have a yeah, it does. So it does have a screen protector over here, and we have a dot notch, what I call a dot camera over here. So yeah, it's thick, it's heavy, it feels it's heavy, and this possibly looks very thick and heavy, and for gaming, yeah, it looks nice. It looks good in the hand if you want to game. Now this thing have dual speakers and does have an HQ quality sound. So that means high quality. HQ means high quality. So dual speakers with high quality sound. We should expect really great sound when you're playing the music, of course, from this phone. The cost of this phone is actually 1,000 riyals. So that equivalent to $290 or 200 something dollars. I think it's not 275 around that area. So let's take out the stickers and see how the back looks. Straight away we have some fingerprints, of course, because I typed it, but looks really beautiful. Look at this color, guys. It's really nice. Kind of, polycarbonate or carbon fiber reflection here. Let's take a quick look at the I/O. We have volume up and down here, and it's looks very nice. It's not wobbly, nothing at all. We have a fingerprint with a power button combined, just like the M51. On the back we have a speaker with microphone, USB Type-C, headphone jack. Yes, that's good. It's great. We have here we have the SIM card, and let's take a look at what type of things we have here in the SIM card. Do we have a dedicated SD slot or not? We are going to see that in this video. Okay, let's just see what we have here. Where is it? This way. Okay, so this, by the way, the way I'm unboxing is kind of different than my other videos I'm gonna drop a video showing you how I did this setting, the unboxing setting. So we need to push it even harder than this sometimes. And finally, we're able to take it off. It's a little bit, you know, stiff, to be honest with you. And we have a micro SD and, you know, a SIM card. So we have a dual micro SD or single SIM card, or dual SIM card actually, or micro SD and SIM card. So that's about it. And there we go. So what else we have here? On the top, we have the microphones. We have a microphone, we have an IR blaster for a remote, and another microphone, which is really good. And that's about it. In the front, we have a camera on the front, as you can see. And the back, we have these 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras with a flash, which looks really nice, guys. So yeah, that's it. That's about the unboxing. Thank you for watching the video. Take care, everybody, and see you in another video.